Okay, so I've been running around, getting some signatures on Cody. Cody Goal. And now we're going to number all of them because we forgot to.
I don't think it's required, is it? We just have to number.
No, I think it's just handy, right?
So this is Cody after we sort of ran around and got some signatures on his body. We're going to number them now so that we can have proof of how many we have because we have a lot.
Do you want to have someone, like video whilst you number?
Alright, so this is Cody post signature hunt. We marked them all with numbers afterwards because we forgot. Oh, that's his pants. Alright. Alright, and then you want to turn around so you can see the back of your legs?
Make sure you announce how many numbers.
Yeah. So let's see, this, oh, the numbers are starting to bleed together. That was like 16 or 17 or something. Okay, now let's get up to the arms. Let's see. There's 78. On the back, we've got some on the back of the arm. And then the other arm. This is ridiculous. You're going to have to scrub a lot.
I know.
Okay, and then we have a bunch on the face. Let's see the forehead. Ear signing, that was effective. And then other side. There's some on the back of his neck. Show the back on the back of his neck. There we go, and turn back towards me. Let me find the last one. 106. Aha! Sid Schultz. 107, right there. 107 signatures on the body of this man. Cody Goal.